Anthropology is a study, analysis, and description of humanity's past and present. Questions about the past include prehistoric origins and human evolution. The study of contemporary humanity focuses on biological and cultural diversity, including language. The nature of anthropology can be viewed from its historical perspective because it is a global discipline involving humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences. Anthropology started partially as an endeavor by individuals from logical social orders to unbiasedly record and grasp this variety. It was late 19th century that anthropology at last turned into a different scholastic discipline in American and Western European colleges. The first goal of anthropology is to comprehend the fossil record of early people and their precursors, just as the archaeological record of later ancient social orders. The second goal of anthropology is to understand how we adapt to different environmental conditions and how we vary as a species. The third goal of anthropology is to find out about both the natural and social parts of humankind all throughout the planet and all through time. The last goal of anthropology is to apply anthropological information to help forestall or take care of issues of living people groups, including destitution, substance addiction, and HIV or AIDS. Perspective of anthropology. Anthropologists across the subfields utilize exceptional points of view to direct their exploration. These viewpoints make humanities unmistakable from related disciplines like history, social science, and brain research that pose comparative inquiries about the past, social orders, and human instinct. The key anthropological viewpoints are comprehensive quality, relativism, correlation, and hands-on work. There are likewise both logical and humanistic propensities inside the discipline that, now and again, struggle with each other. Sociology is the scientific investigation of human culture and social behavior. Sociology is a discipline in social sciences concerned about human society and human social activities. Nature of sociology. As a discipline, sociology arose early in the 19th century in response to rapid social change. Major transformations in the 18th and 19th centuries, such as rapid industrialization resulting in a large, anonymous workforce. Sociology has created as a worth-free discipline. It is concerned with this, not with what should be. Sociology is an empirical discipline like physics, chemistry, or mathematics, and not as an applied science like engineering or computer science. The first goal of sociology is to understand how membership in one social group affects individual B. The second goal of sociology is to understand how cultures and institutions interact in different societies. The third goal of sociology is to understand the meaning and consequences of modernity, post-modernity, and the new globalization. The fourth goal of sociology is to understand the causes and consequences of social change in terms of general causes and effects, as well as unique historical circumstances. The fifth goal of sociology is to understand the causes and consequences of population, composition, and pressures, and how population affects the environment and development of societies. The last goal of sociology is to provide information that reflects upon different policy initiatives. Perspective of sociology. The fundamental knowledge of sociology is that human conduct is molded by the gatherings to which individuals have a place and by the social communication that happens inside those gatherings. Individuals will in general acknowledge their social world unquestioningly as something regular. But the sociological perspective empowers us to consider society to be a brief social item made by people and fit for being changed by them also. The sociological perspective welcomes us to take a look at our recognizable environmental factors in a new manner. It urges us to investigate the world we have consistently underestimated, to analyze our social climate with the very interest that we may bring to an extraordinary and familiar culture. Political science is the study of nature, causes, and consequences of collective decisions and actions taken by groups of people embedded in cultures and institutions that structure power and authority. Nature of political science. Politics is not only a mere institution of governance, but also a mechanism for achieving societal goals. Nature of political science is a social science concerned with the theory and practice of politics and the description and analysis of political systems and political behavior. Political science is in this way an investigation of the state in the past, present, and future of the political organization, political cycles and political functions of political establishments and political theories. Political science has a few subfields including political hypothesis, public policy, public legislative issues, worldwide relations, human rights, natural governmental issues, and near legislative issues. Political science has three goals. First is the concern with the process of growth, industrialization, and change, and the impact on government forms and policies. The second goal of political science is to describe how various political systems function and to find more effective political systems. Third goal of political science is to measure the success of governance and specific policies by examining many factors including stability, justice, and material wealth. There are three political science perspectives. First is methodologically diverse and appropriates many methods originating in psychology, social research, and cognitive neuroscience. The second perspective of political science approaches include positivism, interpretivism, rational choice theory, behavioralism, structuralism, post-structuralism, realism, institutionalism, and pluralism.